Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. We are set off from Guwahati to Chandubi, which is about 50 kilometers away from the city. वहाँ पर हम 2 दिन और 1 night stay करने वाले हैं. So stay tuned with us to know more about our journey, and I hope that the video will be a fun-filled one and you all will like, share and subscribe. So friends, we have reached the location Chandubi. हम अभी हमारे रिजोर्ट की ओर जा रहे हैं जो लेक के उस पार है. So in order to reach our resort, we have to travel via a boat. फ्रेंड्स, हम बोट से उतर चुके हैं और नाउ वी आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द रिजोर्ट. द नेम ऑफ आवर रिजोर्ट इज चांदुबी जंगल कैंप. So friends, this is what our cottage looks like. Good morning friends, it's 6:15 a.m. and the second day at Chandubi. हमें ये जगह बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है and for me being a nature lover, the place is absolutely perfect to visit during a vacation. The air is pleasant and cool and the water fills my heart with happiness. The environment here is very peaceful. For me, this is a place to visit and get relaxed and be free from the busy schedule of our chaotic lives. We can hear the chirping of birds and can see the trees swaying when the wind blows. After having a bath, we have settled in the dining table to have our breakfast. एंड इसके बाद हम जाने वाले हैं देखने के लिए एक वाटरफॉल विच इज़ नॉट टू फार फ्रॉम हियर. एंड आफ्टर सीइंग द वाटरफॉल we'll be having lunch outside and then we will return back to our home. Friends, we had our breakfast and also packed our things and checked out of the room. अभी हम बैठ चुके हैं नाव में and we are going ahead to our car and then we'll be moving to see the waterfall. Friends, the place is not too far from our resort. It is about 25 to 30 kilometers away. So friends, we have reached the place और यहाँ से थोड़ी दूर पैदल चलने के बाद हमें हमारा destination मिल जाएगा. The waterfall which we are about to see is really fabulous. So from here we can see a bit of the waterfall. So I will try to give you the scenes of what I have been capturing with my eyes ताकि आप लोग भी देख सकें. So here now we are moving down a slope and then we have to cross by a small plank. It's very difficult to manage the camera. लेकिन आप लोग सब्सक्राइब करते नहीं हो. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब. बहुत मेहनत लगती है ऐसे वीडियोस बनाने के लिए. एंड ऑल्सो आई डोंट गेट सो मच टाइम टू मेक वीडियोस रेगुलरली एज आई एम अ स्टूडेंट. So whenever I get some time, then I try to make some videos. But please subscribe to my channel because most of the people are seeing who have not subscribed till now. So we are now moving ahead towards the waterfall. After trekking for half a kilometer, now we are about to reach the waterfall. But it will be better for them who have pain in legs, ankle, heel, hips to not come and trek for so much and reach here. But the place is really fantastic and fabulous. It's a perfect place to visit. So friends, after seeing the waterfall, now we are heading towards our car. Friends, now we are moving towards our home and please comment below that how was the video and would you like to visit a place like this. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe and like my video and share to your friends and family and stay tuned.